Ever wondered why some people seem to sail smoothly towards success while others are stuck spinning their wheels? What if I told you that the secret isn't in luck or talent, but in a few key habits that could make or break your journey to greatness? Today, we're diving into the 5 critical reasons why people fail and the 5 game-changing strategies that successful people use to rise above the rest. Buckle up, because this might just change the way you approach your goals. Let's face it, failure is often a product of common pitfalls. Here's a quick rundown of the top 5 reasons people fall short of their dreams. Number 1, laziness. First up, laziness. It's not just about being tired. It's a mindset that keeps you from taking action and pushing forward. When you're comfortable with inactivity, you miss out on the chance to make progress. Number 2, overthinking. Next, overthinking. When you're caught up in endless analysis, you paralyze yourself with doubt and second guessing. It's like running in circles, no forward movement, just endless contemplation. Number 3, negativity. Third, negativity. If your mind is constantly filled with "I can't" or "it won't work," then guess what? It probably won't. Negativity clouds your vision and drains your motivation. Number 4, fear. Fourth, fear. Fear of failure, fear of the unknown, it's all paralyzing. It keeps you from seizing opportunities and stepping out of your comfort zone. Number 5, no goal. And finally, no clear goals. Without a target, how can you hit the bullseye? Wandering without purpose ensures that you'll never reach your destination. Section 2, why people succeed. Now, let's flip the script. Here are the 5 powerhouse strategies that successful people swear by. Number 1, hard work. First, hard work. It's not about working smart or working hard alone. It's about combining both. Success demands consistent effort and perseverance. Number 2, taking action. Second, taking action. Ideas are worthless without execution. Successful people make things happen. They don't wait for the perfect moment. They create it. Number 3, positivity. A positive mindset fuels creativity and resilience. It helps you see opportunities where others see obstacles and keeps you motivated through the toughest times. Number 4, risk-taking. Fourth, taking risks. Success often involves stepping into the unknown. It's about being brave enough to take calculated risks that others might shy away from. Number 5, clear vision. And finally, a clear vision. Successful people know exactly where they want to go and how they plan to get there. Their goals are specific, measurable, and relentlessly pursued. So, which side will you choose? Will you let laziness, fear, and negativity hold you back? Or will you harness the power of hard work, positivity, and a clear vision to achieve your dreams? Hit that subscribe button, share this video, and let's conquer those dreams together. Comment below on which strategy you're going to implement today. Remember, your success starts with the decisions you make now.